I'm Vijeta, your SST teacher. Dear student, today we will study the first chapter of social science named as Face and Shape of the Earth from the book Our Land, Our World. Dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you, which will help you to understand the chapter clearly. So, dear student, in the beginning of the chapter, you should understand what are the learning objectives of the chapter, what you will learn in this chapter. So, dear student, as chapter title itself is describing its learning objective. First, we will learn about the face of the earth, and secondly, we will learn about the shape of the earth. So, dear student, let's begin with the chapter. In the beginning of the chapter, this is very important question. Which planet has life supporting condition? Dear student, this is very important question. Which planet has a life supporting condition? So, the answer is the Earth is the only planet that has life supporting condition. Dear student, I am marking it. Which planet has a life supporting condition? The Earth is the only planet that has a life supporting condition. Dear student, we live on the earth. कहाँ रहते हैं हम? अर्थ में रहते हैं. Billions of the other human beings, animals and plants also live on this earth. कौन कौन रहते हैं इस अर्थ में? Animals रहते हैं, plant रहते हैं और बहुत सारे other human beings इस अर्थ में रहते हैं. The earth is therefore our home. अर्थ कैसा है? एक हमारे घर के जैसा है. Dear student, I am revising it again because this is very important part of the chapter. As you can see in my screen. Which planet has the life supporting system? The Earth is the only planet that has life supporting system. Where we live? We live on the Earth. Billions of other human beings, animals and plants also live on this earth. The earth is called our home. So, first we will discuss about first learning objective of the chapter, that is face of the earth. So, dear student, let's begin with the first learning objective of the chapter. The land and the water are two parts of the surface of earth. Earth की surface के कितने part हैं बच्चों? दो part है. The first one is land and the second one is water. Dear student, about 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water and 1/4 is covered by land. So, dear student, I am marking it because this is very important question. The land and the water are two parts of the surface of the earth. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water and 1/4 with land. So, this is again very important question. Who occupies a small part of land? So, dear student, the answer is a pond, a park or a house occupies a small part of land. Dear student, the second important question is which part occupies bigger part of land? So, the answer is our villages and towns are built on the bigger part of land. Which part? Our village and towns are built on the bigger part of land. So, dear student, this is the pictorial part of land and this is the pictorial part of water. So, dear student, the sky is a vast space in the universe. Universe में सबसे बड़ा space कौन सा, सबसे बड़ा huge space क्या है? आसमान है. When we stand on a high place and look ahead, जब हम किसी ऊंची जगह पे खड़े होते हैं और ऊपर की ओर देखते हैं, it seems that the sky and land are meeting at a distance. तो हम क्या देखते हैं? Sky, आसमान और जमीन एक दूरी पर जाके मिल रहे हैं. That place, the place where sky and land are meeting is called horizon. Which place? Where sky and land are meeting. That is called horizon. If we move towards horizon, जब आप उसके पास जाते हैं, horizon के पास जाते हैं, it will move further away. तो वो क्या होता है? आपसे उतना ही दूर जाता है जितना, जैसे जैसे आप उसके पास जाते हैं वो आपसे दूर जाता है. In fact, the sky and land never meet. क्या होता है? Sky और जमीन कभी एक दूसरे से नहीं मिल सकते. So the land is much bigger than the part of land we can see. तो बच्चों, जितनी हमें जमीन दिखती है उससे बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी ये जमीन है. तो बच्चों, जैसा हमने आसमान और जमीन के साथ देखा, वैसा ही किसके साथ होता है? वाटर बॉडीज एंड स्काई के साथ होता है. क्या होता है? लेट्स डिस्कस. If we stand at the seashore, it seems that water and the sky are meeting at a far off distance. तो क्या होता है? आपको लगता है कि वाटर और स्काई एक जगह पे, समुद्र और स्काई एक जगह पे जाके मिल रहे हैं. But in reality, that never meet anywhere. The water body is much bigger than what we can see. तो वाटर बॉडीज जहां तक हमारी आंखें जाती हैं, जहां तक हम देख सकते हैं, उससे कहीं ज्यादा बड़ी वाटर बॉडीज होती हैं. So, as you can see in my screen, dear student, we and all other living beings like plants and animals need air to live. तो बच्चों, कोई भी लिविंग चीज है, उसे जीने के लिए किस चीज की जरूरत होती है? उसे जीने के लिए हवा की जरूरत होती है. The earth is surrounded by air. अर्थ के चारों ओर क्या है? हवा है. The air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. The air surrounding the earth is called air. As I am highlighting it because this is very important. What is atmosphere? The answer is the air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. The air surrounding the earth is called air. Dear student, atmosphere is a part of earth. Land, water and air are essential of life. What are the essential of life? Dear student, land, water and air are essential of life. This is very important that you should know. Land, water and air are essential of life. Dear student, as you can see in the screen, this is the life on the earth. This is the land part. These are the water bodies and the whole earth is surrounded by air. Dear student, that's all for the first learning objective. Now let's discuss the second learning objective, that is shape of the earth. Dear student, as in the first line, we can see the shape of earth is like an orange. क्या बताया है फर्स्ट लाइन में कि शेप का अर्थ क्या है बच्चों? ऑरेंज की तरह. As I am highlighting it. The shape of Earth is like an orange. Long ago, people thought that it was flat. बहुत समय पहले लोग क्या सोचते थे? ये flat है, समतल है. So they believed that by traveling in one direction, they would reach the end of the earth and they would fall into space. So they avoided traveling too far. But in 1519, as you can see in my screen, when in 1519, some brave, I'm so sorry, I'm erasing it. Okay, let's discuss. In 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, a brave sailor of Portuguese, he started sailing in 1519 from Spain. After 3 years, they reached at the same place from where they started. तो क्या हुआ बच्चों? In 1519 में पुर्तगीज के जो सेलर थे, एक जो लीडर थे जिन्होंने स्पेन से अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की, दैट इज फेर्डिनेंड मैजेलन. उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया और उन्होंने जहां से स्टार्ट किया उन्होंने पाया कि 3 साल बाद वो उसी जगह पे पहुंच गए. तो दिस इज पॉसिबल only when the earth is a round shape. Dear student, as you can see, अगर ये एक सर्कल है और ये सर्कल मैंने इस पॉइंट से शुरू किया और कुछ टाइम तक मैंने मूव किया और एट लास्ट घूम के मैं उसी पॉइंट पे आ गई. तो ये कौन सा शेप था? सर्कल था. तो फेर्डिनेंड मैजेलन ने ये थ्योरी दी कि जो अर्थ है वो किस शेप की है? राउंड शेप की है. As you can see the pictorial part of Ferdinand Magellan in my screen. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin of Russia went around the earth in a spacecraft. यूरी गैगरिन 1961 में जो रशिया के थे वो कहाँ गए? स्पेस पे गए. उन्होंने वहां क्या देखा कि अर्थ जो है वो क्या है? राउंड शेप की है. आफ्टर दैट इन 1969 two American astronauts, first one is Neil Armstrong and second one is Edwin Aldrin, reached the moon in a spacecraft and they saw the whole earth from the moon. उन्होंने पूरी पृथ्वी को कहाँ से देखा बच्चों? मून से देखा. And also took its photographs. और वहां उन्होंने क्या किया? वहां से अर्थ के photographs दिए. The photographs prove that the earth is round shaped. It is like a huge ball. क्या देखा उन्होंने? अर्थ का शेप क्या था? एक बड़े बॉल की तरह था. इस शेप का था डियर स्टूडेंट. As you can see in my screen, as I have highlighted it, our earth looks like a beautiful blue lighted ball as seen from the moon. Dear student, why it is like a blue lighted ball? It seems like a blue lighted ball because in the beginning of chapter, as you have learned, the earth's 3/4 part is covered by a water. Because of a water color, the earth looks like a blue lighted ball. So dear student, this is all about the first chapter. Dear student, let's have a quick revision of the chapter. So in the beginning of the chapter, you have learned the earth is the only planet that has a life supporting condition. In the first learning objective, you have learned about the land and the water. The earth is covered by the water and the land. 3/4 part is water and 1/4 part is land. Small part of land is occupied by a pond, a park and a house, and bigger part of land is covered by village and towns. And then you have learned about the horizon. What is horizon? The place where sky and land meets. That is called horizon. And then you have learned the water and the sky, water bodies and sky seems they are meeting, but they can't meet, even they never meet any. After that, you have learned the essential of life, that is land, water and the air, and this is life on the earth. This is the pictorial part of life on the earth. After that, you have learned the shape of the earth. The shape of earth is like an orange, or it looks like a blue lighted ball from the moon. In 1519, Magellan even proposed that earth is possibly a round shape. In 1961, a Russian Yuri Gagarin went around the earth in a spacecraft. He saw earth round from the space. And then finally in 1969, two American astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, reached the moon and took its photograph and found the earth looks like a huge ball. So, dear student, this is all about the first chapter. We will discuss our second chapter in our next class. Thank you.